Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your system so the update goes smoothly. First, close or bookmark tabs and save files to avoid losing work. Once done, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right to access tools. Make sure Windows 10 itself is current in Settings Update and Security, because Chrome updates rely on system stability. Now, proceed directly to Chrome's update controls so you can see if an update is available and begin the installation. You will now perform the update and monitor progress. From the three-dot menu, choose Help Then about Google Chrome. This automatically checks for the latest build. While Chrome downloads, you can monitor the progress indicator. Downloads are quick on modern connections. Make sure extensions are not blocking network access. When the download completes, click Relaunch to apply the update. Chrome closes and reopens, restoring your session. After relaunch, verify that the version number indicates the update. Finish by confirming the update and handling common issues. Open About Google Chrome again. You should see the latest version number and a message that Chrome is up to date. If Chrome won't update, make sure the Google Update service is running or check Windows Update for pending system patches. These can block installs. If problems continue, reboot Windows, temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall, and retry the update. That resolves most cases and keeps Chrome current and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.